So we take the example of graphical method using point corner method. So this first we take the example of point corner method, taking the LPP, the maximize Z, and there are two restrictions, and third one is non-negativity condition. First of all, we convert the inequalities, constant, conditions, restrictions into equation x plus 2y is equal to 10, and we make a table for x and y to plot this line on the graph. So we first of all we put x is 0, then y is 5. If y is 0, then x is 10. Using these coordinate, we plot the line on this graph, and this line is this line. Similarly, we can plot the second restriction on assuming on line in this. Now we find the bounded region by these two restrictions. First restriction, x plus 2y less than equal to 10, that means region is this side, and second restriction is also less than, this line is says that also this side, but non-negativity condition say that this is lie on first quadrant. So the bounded region on this LPP on the graph paper is this shaded area. So first of all we find the bounded region by using restrictions and non-negativity conditions and shaded that. This is the bounded region. Now first of all we have to check that the given region is feasible or not. To check the feasibility, we take 2 points anywhere in the shaded area and meet through a straight line. This line is also lie in this same region, then we say that this is feasible. So this region is feasible region. Now we go for next step to solve this LPP, point corner method. So using the point corner method, we find the corner point of this shaded area. First point is O, this is O, and coordinate of this point is 0 0, and second is A, this is A, and coordinate of A is 7 and 0. Third one is B, this, and coordinate of this point is 6 or 2, and at the C, x is 0 and y is 5. On these coordinate, we check the value of objective function. We put x is 0, y is 0 at O in this objective function, then we get 0. Similarly, we have to check on A, put x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 0 in the objective function, then we get 14. Next, we put x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2 in objective function, we get 18. And next, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 on this objective function, then we get 15. Now the maximum value of z at B is the coordinate where 6 and 2, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. We put in z, then we get 18. This is the maximum value, and we optimize the objective function, that means we maximize the z and maximum z as at B. So the solution of the given LPP is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 18. So these are the coordinate of B point give the maximum value of z. So using point corner method, we find the objective function. Next one, we take another example of minimization. Now first of all we find the shaded area by these three restrictions and non-negativity condition. Non-negativity conditions mean region always lie between these axes in first quadrant. Always lie first quadrant. So bounded region by these three restrictions is this shaded area. First of all, we have to check that the given region is feasible or not. We take 2 points anywhere in the shaded area and meet through a straight line, then we check that this line also lie in the same region. So this is the feasible region. Now we go for next step. We check the corner point of this shaded area. First one is A, second one is B, third one is C, and fourth one is D. And we write the coordinate of these points using this graph. So on these coordinates we check the objective function. Our objective function is minimize z 20x1 plus 10x2. So 20x is 15 and y is equal to 0. Put in the objective function, then we get 300. Second, we put x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 0, then we get 800. Third, C at C, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 18. This is 280. At D, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 12. We put, then we get 240. These are the value of z on these coordinate of these points. So we optimize the objective function. That means we minimize the cost, minimize the value of z. In the case is minimize z. In last case we maximize the z. So in this case we minimize the z. So we take minimum value in this value of objective function at these coordinates. So minimum value is 240. 240 is at D, where x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 12. So the solution of the given LPP is x is equal to 6, y is x1 is 6, x2 is 12, and z is equal to 240. This is the solution. So we can solve the minimization and maximization both problem using point corner method. If there are two coordinates, then we solve the point corner using point corner method. We solve the LPP. If more than two variable, then we go for simplex method. We can solve in another video. So this is the graphical method to solve the linear programming problem. Thank you very much.